everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today for our session focusing on how to achieve perfect launch in the Amazon store. My name is Yas and I'm on the Seller University team. So our presenters today are Zach and Whitney, who will take you through the first half of our presentation and also lead our Q&A. They both work on the seller recruiting team. So in today's session, we'll cover the different components of perfect launch and how you can get started with each step. So with that, I'll go ahead and I'll turn to Zach to start our presentation.
Hello, everyone. As Yas mentioned, my name is Zach, and I'm part of the new seller recruiting team here at Amazon. So we're going to go over perfect launch here. As we all kind of know, e-commerce moves quickly, and the first 90 days selling in an Amazon store are pretty critical to establish your business. Amazon experts have identified 6 actions when taken within those first 90 days that can help generate sales more quickly. And we are going to refer to those 6 actions as perfect launch. We have a ton of new seller incentives to kind of help achieve these perfect launch. New seller incentives is a suite of perks and benefits designed to help new sellers get started, move more quickly within tools and programs included in perfect launch. To be eligible for new seller incentives, you'll need a professional selling plan, and your first viable ASIN must be launched in the US, UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, or Japan storefront on or after January 1st, 2022. So we're going to cover some of the actions you can take to achieve perfect launch and some of the new seller incentive benefits that can help you get started. So the first one we're going to cover here is Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. Amazon customers love the fast, free shipping that Prime offers provide. And to provide those Prime offers for your customers, you'll need to enroll into Fulfillment by Amazon, or again, formerly known as FBA. With FBA, you send your inventory to Amazon fulfillment centers, and we handle all the fulfillment and customer service for your FBA orders. Once you've enrolled a product or products into FBA, you can begin shipping inventory to Amazon fulfillment centers to be packed and shipped when you receive an order. To achieve perfect launch, you'll need to send FBA inventory to an Amazon fulfillment center within your first 90 days of launching your business. New seller incentives can make it easier to get started with FBA. You can receive $100 in credit towards inventory shipping fees for using Amazon partner carrier programs, or $200 in credits for fulfillment fees when using Amazon Global Logistics through new seller incentives. The Amazon Partner Carrier Program offers discount shipping rates for small parcel deliveries, known as SPDs, less than truckload and full truckload shipments, known as LTL and FTL respectively, within the contiguous states of US. If your shipments to Amazon fulfillment centers meet the criteria for SPD, LTL, or FTL shipments, taking advantage of these programs can help you save on shipping costs. Amazon Global Logistics allow you to ship directly to fulfillment centers at reduced landed costs and competitive rates. You can send cargo directly to fulfillment centers in the US, UK, EU, and Japan, helping you reduce costs and allowing you to manage global fulfillment operations. New sellers using FBA can also receive automatic enrollment in FBA new selections, which provide free monthly storage, liquidations, and return processing for your eligible new to FBA products. Once you get started, you'll see the new seller selection credit automatically applied to your first few shipments. The next perfect launch tool is going to be advertising. Another early factor for success is visibility, which means getting your products in front of customers. So you may have great products and you may have great content on those products, but if our customers on Amazon aren't able to find those products, we can find that sales can be difficult. So this is why advertising is a huge step for perfect launch, as advertising efforts within the first 90 days of selling can lead to long-term success. You have a few options when advertising in the Amazon store. Those 3 options are sponsored products, coupons, and deals. I will firstly cover sponsored products. Sponsored products are campaigns that are a great way to promote individual listings to customers as they're browsing and searching the Amazon store. When you run sponsored products campaigns, your ads are targeted to either keywords or products. The ads appear above and within search results and on the product detail page on both desktops and mobile devices. Sponsored products campaigns are a PPC or pay per click, meaning your customers only pay, meaning you only pay when customers click on your ads. So not any impressions that you show up for. You control how much you spend by setting a budget you're comfortable with and choosing how much bid per click. So whether you're doing products or keywords, you can specifically say what you want to bid for a specific search term or specific product. The next option that you have is coupons and deals. And to set, you can, coupons that you offer discounts either by a dollar amount or percentage. So you can say from a coupons perspective, you can say $10 off, or you can say 10% off. And these discount products receive a coupon badge that help grab a customer's attention. So they can see it right within the product detail page that this is a $10 off coupon or a 10% coupon, whichever way you choose to show that to the consumer. There are no eligibility requirements for coupons, making them a great options for new sellers or even new products. And with your new seller incentives, you can receive $50 in coupon credits. The final advertising thing we'll cover here is deals. Deals are a time-bound promotional offer consisting of Lightning Day deals and 7-day deals. So Lightning Day deals are being available for a limited number of hours, while your 7-day deals are being available for a limited number of days. To be eligible for deals, you must be a professional seller with at least 5 seller feedback ratings per month and an overall rating of at least 3.5 stars. Taking advantage of at least one of these advertising options within your first 90 days of selling can help you achieve perfect launch. I always tell sellers that I work with that I recommend running your sponsored products in tandem with coupons and deals. The sponsored product campaigns are a great way to get your products visible to a consumer, and then your coupon and deal can entice that customer to make a purchasing decision after they've found your product within Amazon. Another perfect launch tool is going to be product selection. So product selection can be a major factor for success in the Amazon store. So launching enough products within your first 90 days is another step for perfect launch. If you already have a catalog of products you sell online, we recommend making sure your products are listed within the Amazon store. So we understand some sellers may not have a full range of catalog like other sellers. So it's just really important that when you're launching on Amazon or selling on Amazon, that you're providing the full list of catalog offering that you have to your Amazon store selection as well. And I will be handing this off to Whitney to do the other half of the presentation.
All right, thanks, Zach. Hi, everyone. So I'm Whitney. I also work on new seller success, and I will talk about some of the perfect launch levers for our brand owners. So starting with brand registry, enrolling in Amazon brand registry lets you take more control over your branded listings and is another success factor for perfect launch. Brand registry is for sellers who own or manage a brand in the Amazon store. Enrolling gives you access to more options for promoting, protecting, and building your brand. To be eligible, you'll need a registered active or pending trademark. If you aren't currently able to enroll in brand registry, the Amazon IP Accelerator may be helpful to you. The IP Accelerator program helps business more quickly obtain IP or intellectual property rights and brand protection in the Amazon store. You can also receive additional brand registry benefits with new seller incentives. So with new seller incentives, eligible brand owners can receive a 5% bonus on up to $1 million in eligible branded sales, which is up to $50,000 in bonus value. Or you can receive that benefit for 1 year after you become eligible, whichever one comes first. Next, we'll touch on Vine. So Vine is a program that invites experienced Amazon reviewers to share opinions about new products to help other customers make informed buying decisions. Product reviews play a really important role in customers' purchase decisions, and using Vine can be a great way to quickly build up reviews for new products that you're launching. Participating sellers will provide free product units to reviewers and receive up to 30 reviews within an average of 17 days. Eligible brand owners receive $200 in credits for Amazon Vine through new seller incentives. Great. New seller incentives can also help you get started with brand registry tools for protecting your brand, like the transparency program. So transparency is a product serialization service that helps you proactively protect your brand from counterfeits, improve the customer experience, and identify supply chain defects. When you enroll in transparency, you apply transparency codes to your product, and Amazon scans these codes to ensure only authentic units are shipped. Your customers can use the Transparency app to scan and authenticate their products. Enrolling in transparency is a great way to help protect and uphold your brand's image, and new seller incentives makes it even easier to get started with $100 in credits for this particular program. Next, we will touch on A+ content. So enrolling in Brand Registry also gives you access to A+ content, another factor for perfect launch success. A+ content lets sellers enrolled in Brand Registry take more control over the content on their branded product detail pages. You can use A+ content to share your unique brand story and provide more product details using rich content and visuals. Brand Story enables you to educate customers about your brand's history, your values, and product lines within a dedicated section of your detail page named From the Brand. Creating A+ content for your products helps optimize your detail pages and helps you engage with your customers, providing key product information to help them make their purchase decisions. Competitive pricing is also one of the most important factors for customers' purchase decisions, and maintaining competitive prices can help you achieve long-term success on the site. Because of this, using Automate Pricing to establish at least one pricing rule within your first 90 days of selling in the Amazon store is a factor for perfect launch as well. The Automate Pricing tool lets you automatically adjust prices in your catalog in response to things like earning featured offer placement. You create a pricing rule, you set the parameters, and then you select the products the rule should apply to. So used together during your first 90 days of selling on Amazon, each of the factors we just discussed can help you achieve perfect launch. Remember to take advantage of all the new seller incentives we touched on, as investing in your business early can definitely help set you up for long-term success selling on Amazon.
Thank you so much to our presenters for coming on today and answering all of our questions, going through that presentation. This was super helpful, and thank you for everyone for attending. We really appreciate it and hope to see you again. Have a good one.